Hello again. So, we're back. I am on a roll at the moment. We're uploading a lot, and I'm actually just really enjoying just kind of talking to the camera. Well, I guess to the mic in this case. Maybe I'll get a webcam at some point. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. Today I actually want to talk about something that if you guys have been on the internet for a while, you guys will know that Twitch do not make great decisions. So, they have done it again, basically. They have pissed people off, and rightfully so. So basically, a few days back, it was announced that Twitch are going to be implementing some new guidelines on branding and creator ads. And people did not like this announcement, and rightfully so. There is some really stupid things that they've put in here. So basically, with this, they have made changes to stuff like little banner ads for sponsors and stuff like that. And yeah, so we'll just go over it real quick. So basically, right, on-stream logos are now limited to only 3% of the screen size. So if you previously had like a little logo in the bottom corner that was like for G Fuel, for example, and it's like use code whatever their code is for 10% off, blah blah blah. You usually have that in the bottom corner of the screen, and that was cool. Everyone was fine with that. You know, these guys are sponsored by G Fuel. They've got a G Fuel tag. It sits in the bottom there. It's not bothering anyone, but yeah, it's there, and that's how people make money on Twitch, because Twitch do not pay out much to their creators. I believe that their creators only get 50% of their sub money, which is pretty fucked, to be honest. But I mean, yeah, so Twitch people, or Twitch streamers in this case, tend to go to other sources for money, just like how you see YouTubers get sponsors and stuff like that. But yeah, Twitch apparently just don't want that to happen on their platform anymore, which is super weird. But as for other things that are not allowed, you are not allowed to have burned in video ads, you are not allowed to have burned in display ads, and you're not allowed to have burned in audio ads. So basically what they are doing is saying, hey guys, if you're sponsored, don't be, because yeah, we're only gonna allow to use 3% of your screen. Yeah, it's so stupid. It's really dumb. They went into more detail with this with an image, and here's the image here. So you can see the first one, logos on stream, on stream brand overlays are limited to only 3% of screen size. So you can see right there, there's like a little example of that. To be fair, that's not that different to what people tend to have anyway, so that's not really that different. But this is where things do differ. Inserted burned in video ads. Streamers may not insert video ads directly into their streams. So you can see an example here. Maybe the streamer goes AFK. Say they're like, hey guys, I'm gonna go AFK. Anyway, here's a word from our sponsors. And they have a short little clip of, you know, whatever their sponsor is. Here it's an example of cans of soup. I don't know what fucking stream is sponsored by soup, but yeah. That's the example they've got there. You're not allowed to do that anymore. Say bye-bye to that. The other thing is inserted burned in display ads. Streamers may not insert display or banner ads directly into their streams. So I'm sure you guys have watched some streamers, and if you haven't, basically the way these sort of banners will work is periodically throughout the stream, maybe every 30 minutes or so, there will be a little banner that pops up and it says all this stuff about the sponsor. Here's the product, here's the code you can use to get it cheaper. That's it. That's all it is. And then it goes back down. It's there for a few seconds and then it's gone. Really not a big deal. So I don't understand why that's a thing. You're also not allowed to do inserted burned in audio ads. Streamers may not insert audio ads directly into their streams. So this is a pretty similar thing to the video one. It's just audio this time. So, you know, maybe the streamer's talking, or even the AFK again, and it'll basically just be an ad that pops up and just goes, use blah 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 code for checkout at blah 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 website, you know, and it'll support the streamer. But Twitch says no supporting the streamer. not allowed. So yeah, I think this is a really, really dumb change, and so did all of the internet. Everyone on Twitter was just like, Twitch, what the fuck are you doing? Because Twitch have just kind of been destroying their reputation for a while now. Like, this is not a new thing. Twitch just kind of comes out and just says, hey guys, we're gonna update the platform and we're gonna make it even more dog shit, and it's gonna be great. Everyone applaud us. Come on, you know you want to applaud us. We really don't, Twitch. We don't. You guys keep making really dumb decisions. It's getting to the point where you guys are actually starting to get worse than YouTube, and that's impressive because YouTube has had a lot of controversy with stuff like TOS changes and all that. But yeah, so like I said, people were very, very unhappy about this, and Twitch decided, hey, we're getting a lot of backlash. Let's clear this up. Let's make a update post. Let's basically just retract what we were originally going to do. And they put out a tweet. Actually, it appears they put out a whole thread. So let's see what they have to say. Yesterday, we released a new branded content guidelines that impacted your ability to work with sponsors to increase your income from streaming. These guidelines are bad for you and bad for Twitch, and we are removing them immediately. So, what does this look like here? This looks like Twitch said, hey, maybe we can stop streamers from making more money this way for some reason, because like they said in this, it's bad for them and it's bad for Twitch. It's not like Twitch are changing it, so it's like, if you guys get a sponsor, you have to pay some to us or something like that. They're not gaining from this. It's just fucking streamers over, and they very quickly changed up the act when streamers announced that they were leaving and moving to Kick or moving to Rumble or moving to YouTube. And when Twitch heard that, they were like, oh fuck, we're losing big creators, we can't have this, we're losing money now, this is not helping us at all. They followed up with, sponsorships are critical to streamers' growth and the ability to earn an income. We will not prevent your ability to enter into direct relationships with sponsors. You will continue to own and control your sponsorship business. We want to work with the community to create the best experience we can on Twitch, and to do that we need to be clear about what we're doing and why we're doing it. We appreciate your feedback and help in making this change. You can read more, blah blah blah, they've got an article. So let's check out this article. What does the article say? Okay, so here's the article. Branded content guidelines. Branded content is any content produced by streamers featuring products or services based on the exchange of value, such as being paid or receiving goods and services. Sometimes these types of deals are referred to as a paid product placement, endorsement, or sponsorships. Examples of branded content in Twitch include product placements, endorsements, sponsored gameplay, paid product unboxings, channel sponsorships, branded channel panels, brand logo stream overlays. Branded content on Twitch is not wearing your favorite t-shirt that happens to feature a band or a product, showing off a new piece of equipment you bought for yourself, talking about your favorite restaurants within the community. Twitch, I'm pretty sure we know what a fucking sponsorship is. You guys don't have to explain it, but okay. They then go on to explain some new tools that they've added, like the branded content disclosure tool, which allows you to show people what your sponsorships are and who you're being sponsored by. They explain stuff that you're not allowed to be sponsored by, like hateful products or services, illegal products or services, risky gambling products, unauthorized sharing of private information, spam, scams, and other malicious conduct, weapons, adult-oriented products or services, porn. It's porn. So, no more talking about OnlyFans, I guess. But I mean, that makes sense, to be fair. Tobacco and tobacco-related products, certain financial products and services, medical facilities and products. Okay, we don't need to go too much into detail with this, but actually it looks like they did actually just completely backpedal here because of the just crazy fucking amount of backlash they got, which makes sense, man. Like, Twitch, here's a word of advice. If you want to keep your creators on your platform, don't do things that would like not benefit them at all and just fuck them over. Like, what is the point? I don't understand it. Like, it's it just baffles me. Twitch have been making such weird fucking decisions for like the longest time. If you guys have been watching my videos for a long time and you happen to be on my old channel when I used to do commentary on there for a short period of time, I did a video talking about Twitch because Twitch are just always in the news, it seems. They're just always making dumb fucking decisions. And I know one of the ones that I talked about in the past was like, there was a period of time where they were banning like the usage of the word simp and the word incel and the word virgin, and it was like, you do realize like most people when they say those things are joking, right? So yeah, Twitch just never seems to know what the fuck is going on. They just kind of sit at a round table and just go, hey guys, how can we piss off the internet today? What can we do? Like, it's gotta be like something they enjoy or something, right? Like, why do they keep doing this? I don't get it. It's just so fucking strange. But yeah, I don't know, there's not really much else to say on this situation, but god, Twitch, like, fucking learn how to run a website, man. It can't be that hard, right? Like, just I don't know. I really don't know. Just Twitch, basically don't make your platform worse. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys.